Hello guys, welcome back. Now we are at GETHUK Waterfall here in Gunung Kidul, and me with my friends here.
Hi!
Isa, you know him, you know them, you know them, you know them. Yeah, and this is my first time, so yeah, let's see how is it. So guys, we decided 3 of us will choose the body rafting package, and 3 of us just will go by boat because we didn't bring our chains, clothes, so yeah, so sad. To use boat, you can choose package here for body rafting like that or flying fox. It's time for us to go to our boat. It's like here. Now we are in our boat. Stop here. So yeah, we came from up here and now it's here. Oh, and the waterfall is right there, guys. Guys, we walk on the rock, so we have to be careful so it's not slipper.
Sini nih.
Guys, it's so tall. Guys, look at this. Even down here, there's water, and that side the big waterfall right there, and my friends are in there now, and also right there, and the river down there. And this place is so nice, guys. And yeah, for the entrance we paid 10,000 rupiah, and for the boat to come here is 10,000 go and back. But if you want to walk, it's okay because it's not that far, I mean. And yeah, boat is 10,000, and if you want to do like body rafting, they give you life jacket, something like that. It's only 35,000 for local and foreigners, so there's no difference. So I recommended you guys to come to this place, okay? So guys, they are gonna go up there, see, from this here to the waterfall to the other side, and they go to the river. Hey, what are you doing? And they will go to the river down there. Yeah, so I think they climb from here, I don't know. Yeah, they will climb up to the top and go to the river. Oh, now my friends are there. Where is Pini? Oh yeah, they are there. It's there. Okay guys, you see this tree here? Yeah, it is very nice. So I want to sit down here, climb. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Yeah, I'm at the top of this tree now. Not at the top, by the way, but yeah, up at this tree here. And you see the people right there. Oh, they are climb. I'm like a spy now. They're climb at that cliff. And yeah. Oh, by the way, there's a fruit here at this tree. Here, guys. It has fruit. Do you think we can eat this or not? But I think we can. Let me try. Okay guys, I think I don't want to try it. You see there's something here. What do you call this? Wow, let me see. Woohoo! Wow! Wow! Oh, I think is scared now. Michelle don't want to jump. Is he jump? Is he jump? Yeah, I think she is. Oh, she looking for a place. Oh! Come on, Michelle, you can do it. They don't know that I'm filming from here, guys. Because I'm here, too far from them. Ah, she's scared, she's scared. You see all the supporters down there, guys. Oh, she jumped. Oh! Good job, Michelle, you did it. Wow, and I'm here, like monkey. You see? Guys, now Penny also wants to jump. So, yeah, look, check it out. It is there. I think they like it. Oh, look at Penny. Penny's jump. Woohoo! Yeah, we leave them. They are loose now. So guys, that is our trip here today in GETHUK Waterfall, and yeah, this is very nice, guys. So I recommended you to come to this place if you came to Yogyakarta, of course. And yeah, if you like this video, please like this video, and for you who new on this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.